Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Xactimate estimate the right way, and I'm going to show you how to add photos to your estimate graphically. Now stay tuned to the end because there's a trick that I'll show you that you have to do, otherwise your photos won't show up on your sketch. So let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make sure we get our photos off our camera onto our computer. I recommend copying the photos from your SD card to your computer, and that way if something goes wrong with your computer, you have a backup copy on your SD card. And so you'll always want to create a folder for that claim that you're working on, and you can create the folder with the claim number as the name or the insured's name as the name of that folder, and that gives you some place to drop those photos in. That helps you stay organized. This folder here, I'm just using a claim number to drop these photos in. And so we can see that these are the photos we're going to use. Now some of these photos have some of my students in them from my one-on-one training, so that's why you'll see some people in some of these photos. Now let's get into Xactimate. And before we transfer our photos, we want to make sure that we have our grouping tree completed, because this will give us folders to drop these photos in when we pull them in. So once we get our grouping tree completely done, then we're going to come down to Photos, and then we're going to pull these photos in and drop them in the correct folder. Now if you don't see your grouping tree in here, or your estimate folders, just click this arrow and expand it, or you can collapse it either way, but we want this expanded so we can see our folders. We do have one photo of debris out by the curb, and so that really doesn't pertain to our roof or any of these rooms, so we're going to drop that photo on our main level. So the trick is just make sure you have the correct folder highlighted, come up here to Load Images, and then select the one you want. So we're going to double click that photo, and to label it we're just going to single left click, and that automatically puts our cursor down here in image name where we can quickly label this. And then we're going to pull our roof photos in, so we're going to select roof, come up here to Load Images, and now we're going to hold Control down and select all of our roof photos. And now the trick here, to be more efficient, you're going to single left click this photo, which automatically puts your cursor in the image name down here. And then we're going to label these in sequence. And so we're just going to jump from this one to this one to this one to this one. And we're not going to touch our mouse at all. We're just going to hit our right arrow on our keyboard. I'm just going to give each of these a label and then toggle to the next photo, and you can see how quick this becomes. Right arrow, hit the right arrow, right arrow. Now I'm done with my roof photo, so I'm going to come to my bedroom, select it, Load Images. I'm going to highlight all of my bedroom photos. Now I'm going to do the same thing, single left click and start labeling. And then hit right arrow. Now I'm going to do bedroom overview, but I'm going to abbreviate overview and just put OV. It'll depend on what carrier you work for. Most carriers are okay with you putting OV, which stands for overview. The last one I'm teaching, so I'm going to put Andy teaching. Bathroom, we have a couple of photos of our bathroom. Then we have 3 for our living room. Okay, so now all of our photos are labeled. So now let me show you how to add these photos to your sketch graphically if you want to do that. So we're going to come up here to our estimate, go to sketch, and I'm going to collapse this column over here, so I'm going to hit this arrow. Now what we're going to do is pull our photos in. A lot of people are looking in tools or options or annotations for their photos. They're in none of those places. So to get to your photos, to drag them to your sketch, you're just going to click on your sketch anywhere, hit Shift Enter, and then you're going to come down here to the bottom and select your image tab, and that gives you access to all of your images. And then you can drag and drop whatever images you want to your sketch workspace. So we're just going to drag a couple of photos to our roof and then our living room so I can show you how this works. So I'm going to left click, hold and drag. Let's drop that on sketch, and then I'm going to come over here, grab another one, drop it on sketch. Now I'm going to go to our main level, and I'm going to drag a couple to the living room. Okay, so now all of our photos are on our sketch, right? It's like, well, wait a minute, I can't even see if we added any photos. Well, the trick is you have to come down here to View, and then turn on Show Image Markers. Once you do that, you'll see that you have your images on here. And so you can click on the image icon, and it'll bring up those photos that you added. And the roof, same way. And that's how you add images to Xactimate. And don't forget, one-on-one training is in full swing. We're having a great time, having a lot of people through, and they're really enjoying the training. So make sure you check that out. Link is in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.